Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hack into a Windows 10 machine which is having Windows Defender which is updated till the current date, 4th of October 2018. Now the tools we are going to use is Netcat version 1.12. We are going to be using a Python script called exe into Excel which we are going to use to embed our Netcat along with the parameters into our Excel file. Now this is going to be done using macros. For port forwarding, we are going to use portmap.io. Now the social engineering scenario is such that a victim receives the Excel file, opens it, and we convince him to enable macros. The excuse we are going to give him to enable macros is that there is additional functionality which is required for the document to display the information properly. That's quite a valid reason. And the office which is used by the victim is Office 2019, which is the latest version which is out now. So let's start off. So this is the exe into Excel script I'm going to be downloading by using save link as. I'm going to put it in my home directory. Now I'll download Netcat. All these links I'll be posting below the video in the description section. Okay, the next part is portmap.io. I've already told about this in my port forwarding video. For those of you all who don't know about this, I suggest going through my port forwarding video. It tells in detail how to go about using portmap.io and how to create this rule. So after the rule has been created, this is the domain on the outside internet which redirects traffic to our local host on 5990. You'll be requiring the OpenVPN configuration file which you need to execute along with OpenVPN. So I'm going to go to my downloads directory now. I extract this file and here is our NC file. Now I'm going to be copying this and putting it in my home directory. The reason for doing this is that the exe into excel.py and the nc.exe file should be in the same directory. It makes things easier. So I'm going to go open a terminal, and this terminal has opened up under the home directory. So I'm going to type in Python exe . You can see that it has generated two files, hexready and hex.txt. We are going to be using hexready.txt. And when I open the file, it shows us our macros code, which is having the nc.exe file in under all these characters here. So the command line which is going to be used in the end is this. We need to modify this and put our portmap.io domain and port here. Please be sure to leave this space over here, and also a space is required over here. So once this gets executed on the remote machine, we are going to get a reverse shell on our machine, and from that we can run normal cmd commands. So I'm going to save this. So now I'll be copying my hexready.txt file under var www.html folder. I'm going to paste it here, and then I'll be running my Apache server, so I can access this file from the Windows system. Now also we need to start off our OpenVPN configuration file. If you have any confusion in how this is to be done and how to generate this file, I suggest you go back to the port forwarding video. They have shown exactly how to generate this file. And then I'm going to run it using OpenVPN. And you can see over here that our TUN0 interface has been opened up. I'm going to open up my listener also and see on 5990. So let's go to our Windows machine now and embed our macros into their Excel file. Now this is the IP address of my Kali Linux system. Under index.php I have a download manager, so the page opens up like this, showing me all the files which are available in that var www.html directory. So I'm going to open this file and here is our macros code. So I'm going to select all, copy, and I'm going to open up Excel. Now the developer tab is required for us to embed any macros code inside. So to enable the developer tab, just right click over here, go under customize the ribbon and tick mark the developer tab here. So now we have our developer tab here. Go under view code, select this workbook and paste our code here. We're going to save our workbook. We have to select save as type, Excel macro enabled workbook. We have to save it on the desktop. To name it as new. And then we are going to close it. Before we start off, I'm going to show you that my Windows Defender is updated till the current date. This is on October 4th, 2018. You can see my file being generated over here. So I'm going to open this up. There's a security warning here that macros is disabled. We need to convince the victim to enable this. And you can see over here that we got a shellback. So we're going to type system info . And you can see all the details of the Windows 10 system here. And we can do any other types of commands that can be normally done using a command prompt. For example, if I open up a notepad over here, a notepad opens up on our Windows 10 system. You can see over here. If I open up a calc, that's a calculator. Calculator opens up on the Windows 10 system. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching.